Pretty nice day today, certainly not as hot as it was last week and a little bit less stormy too, all because of that pattern change we were talking about last week. Here's our Windjam Resort camera this afternoon. Lots of sunshine, better day to be at the beach where temperatures were not quite as warm as they were inland. 88 right now in Miami, 86 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 87 in Key West. Remember last week temperatures in the 80s were because of rain cooling from thunderstorms, but that's not the case. It's the southeast ocean breeze today that has broken the heat. 7 on the stickiness scale, feels like 97 right now, no rain at MIA. Here's the radar, and because our pattern has shifted, you can see the storms moving on from southeast to northwest. Most of the activity is inland, going on over the west coast. Later tonight, we'll see some showers and even a thunderstorm develop and move on shore. And then during the morning hours, we may see some passing showers or storms through the metro areas. But then once again, tomorrow afternoon, that activity moves inland. Winds right now southeast to east, anywhere from 9 to 14 miles an hour. Once again, that has pushed all the heat over to the west coast where it's in the 90s. We right now are very comfortable in the mid to upper 80s. Bigger picture showing the tropics, and of course we're into hurricane season, but the tropics very quiet right now. No activity in the Gulf, no activity in the Caribbean, no activity in the Atlantic, even into the tropical Atlantic. Very quiet out there. And the next several days, tropical development not expected. Something we are tracking that's coming across the Atlantic is Saharan dust from Africa. Draping right now much of the tropical Atlantic and into the eastern Caribbean, and in the coming days that dust is going to reach South Florida. So by Wednesday, Thursday and Friday it's going to be a little bit hazier. Now the dust does a couple of things. One, it suppresses tropical activity out in the Atlantic, so we see the dust as a suppressing or a good factor there. But here locally, besides being an irritation with the particulate matter in the atmosphere, it also suppresses thunderstorm activity, so rain chances may be a little bit lower middle and latter part of the week. They're not that high right now. Even into the weekend, most of the dust in the Caribbean, but we'll see just a little bit of it here. Forecast for us tonight, looking pretty good, warm and humid. Some showers develop later on tonight with a low temperature near 77. Tomorrow, look for a good deal of tropical sunshine, much like today, and mostly morning showers and a few thunderstorms. High temperature right around 90 degrees. For boaters, winds out of the southeast at 10, seas 1 to 2 feet. Light chop on the bay, surf temperatures at 85. Through the rest of the week, not a lot of change. High temperatures right around 90 to lows in the mid to upper 70s. Some mainly morning showers tomorrow, and then hazy sun and a low chance for rain the rest of the week. Back to you.